Road to HANA.
Road to HANA, or HANA if you're English, and HANA if you're American. Yeah, today we're taking the trip all the way to a little Hawaiian town called HANA.
Just started, we're at turn 15 and 16 right now.
Yeah, Patrick's downloaded a app which is called Gypsy Guide. It's actually really good. It goes off GPS, so it knows exactly where we are on the road to HANA and gives us like tips of when to stop off to go and see waterfalls and things like that. So it's really good. It tells us that there's about 620 turns on the entire trip and 59 bridges.
It's a little rainy out here, but it's still so warm. You don't really mind. Beautiful little lagoon.
We got some banana bread. That's delicious. 2 thumbs up. We just tried some of Auntie Sandy's banana bread.
It was delicious.
Really good.
Everything with us centers around food.
Yeah, I think food's been in all of our videos.
And not just a mention, a highlight.
Yeah, we're on holiday. That's what it's about. Now we've come to check out the waves and the views at this little lookout that we're at right now. Ooh.
Don't leave valuables in our car. Should we bring our banana bread?
Quick!
In the rain, on the way to Lava Tube. Black Sand Beach. Oh, it's full.
Well, we made it down to the caves and lava tubes and black sand. Never seen that before.
That was really cool.
Yeah, pretty cool. Lava rock from the Haleakala mountain, so volcano. Cool.
And over there is where the people wouldn't let us into the grotto.
Yeah, we couldn't go in to shelter from the rain. You can see the sea arch right there.
Oh, dude.
A little bit hot. Look at the size of these leaves. Ooh. Wait a minute, I didn't know sausages grew on trees.
Oink oink, sausage tree.
Poop. Puddle! We've just puddles!